How to download Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can download Messenger app, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now if you want to download the Messenger app, as you can see in my case I have already happened to download it. The very first thing that you want to check is that you are connected to an internet, so check whether or not you have a proper working internet connection and then only proceed with the further steps. After that, if you're using an Android smartphone, you can open up your Google Play Store, search for the Messenger app and you'll find it. If you're using iPhone, you can open up your App Store, search for Messenger and then you'll find it. Then you'll find the install button over there. On iPhone, you'll get the get or the download icon. You can just tap on that icon and the Messenger app will begin downloading itself, and then you can simply go ahead and then log in to Messenger and start using it. This way you can download Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.